welcome back to Matt Customs. Today with the van, we are going to attempt to insulate the ceiling. We have this 1-inch foam insulation here. The plan is he's going to help me on the first sheet or so, and then I'm going to take over. I have no idea what I'm doing, so it should at least be entertaining. Basically, what's the plan? Just measure it out?
Yeah, we're just going to measure it out, and we got some of this glue. It says foam.
Yeah. So yeah, we grabbed this. It's LePage construction adhesive. It's not supposed to burn through foam. I guess we'll let you know how that works.
By a lot.
Yeah, this was like a third of the price of everything else, and it seemed to be what we needed it for. So again, we'll let you know if it's worth it. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Is just like I said, we have quite a bit of this foam. We're going to do as much of the ceiling as we can, maybe get into the walls. And I think the plan right now is we're going to figure out where we're going to be putting our fan in that, and maybe just leaving that panel empty for the time being. So yeah, come check it out. There's our foam stick setup, and yeah, so as you can see in there, fit really good. We tucked it right up inside this lip here to hold it, and just put the glue on the lower, like the low rise parts here. See how it holds up, I suppose. Seemed to fit in pretty good.
Yeah, that worked out pretty nice. Good to work with. Nice if the glue stuck faster, but
yeah, I think the plan.
Be prepared to make little sticks or something for sure.
Yeah, definitely you're gonna need your holding sticks. Lots of support holding it up. So hopefully that dries pretty good. The foam's really nice to work with. It shapes good, it fits really good. And yeah, we didn't lose any room whatsoever because it's just in line with the beams already from the factory. So that's pretty cool too. Here we have the back panel insulated there. This one worked out even better. We didn't even have to glue it because where it was a little bit longer than the rest, they just slipped in from back to front there, tucked in nicely under the light and over on the sides there. So that's looking really good. We did leave that panel empty there because we're going to put our fan, and we'll just insulate it when that gets installed, because we'll have to be cutting the hole and everything. So for now, it's just giving these a chance to dry, and we're going to reassess how much we have left and look into maybe doing the walls next.
I just pulled the sticks out of the ceiling there. Glue wall seemed to work pretty good. It seems like it's gonna fall anyways. Once we get the plywood on, it'll be let's worry about that. I think it works good. We had to use the sticks to hold it up till it cured. So it seemed to take a long time to cure, but it usually works fine. Kept the engine started home. So.
Yeah, that's awesome. So for the time, time being anyway, the roof is as much as we can do. Once we get the fan installed, we can finish off that last panel there. Alright guys, well thanks for stopping by, and we will catch you in the next video.